Hi guys, it's 1:40 p.m. here in Vienna, Austria. And in the Philippines, it's 7:40 na ng gabi. So today guys, nagprito ako ng baboy. Pero guys, hindi yan siya sunod guys kasi marinated kasi guys ng sweet chili sauce. Kaya yun parang yan Pero hindi siya sunog. Pinagtanggol ang sarili. Hindi siya sunog guys actually. So, this is our lunch for today. Pritong baboy na naman. Nagsige na lang tayo baboy nito. And of course guys, salad. May pasalad din naman tayo guys. Ayan. Ang salad ko guys, pepino, lettuce, apple, and nilagay ko ng grapes. So, ito ang aming lunch for today. Pinagtatanggol ang sariling hindi sunog. Pero hindi talaga guys, in fairness. Hindi siya sunog. Ang hirap kasi kapag merong sweet na ilagay or sugar kasi nagaganyan siya guys, nagaitim. So, eto guys, kain tayo guys. And of course guys, kapag ganito yung ulam, rice is life. Kain tayo guys. Babush!